guys, it's shopping day today. We are going to Game to look for household items. I heard that everything you want can be found there. Let me go and see with my two naked eyes. I'm going with my sister Martha. Hey, it's the day for the game. If you watched my previous kitchen equipment video, you will know that water dispenser fridge did not work out. So we need to buy a separate water dispenser. There are two models, one that is open and one that is closed. I asked on Instagram and Facebook so my online friends can help me choose. While the voting was going on, we continued to look around. It's plastic. Ooh, no. Plastic. I don't like plastic blenders, eh? The cup has to be glass. Scanned frost. Kenwood, plastic. This one is stainless steel cup. I've never seen a stainless steel cup blender before. Wow. Mixer grinder. Yeah, one is immersion. This one is glass. It's glass. Glass. For those asking me what is whole milk, this is whole milk, full cream milk. This one, you that has been bringing out two things when you're asked one. Basmati rice. This looks like they had variety. If yes, then it will not go soggy when you use it to prepare jollof rice. Okwa in Game. Ah, and it looks nice. Palm wine. Is this even real palm wine? It's not even like cream color.
No, it's real palm wine.
No, but it's transparent. It looks like it's transparent. This can't be real. Palm wine is cream. Like,
you know, they did the way that in foam to filter it.
So within a short time, you guys have made a choice for me. BBB everywhere, both on Instagram and on Facebook. I bring the grey one. The grey one of this red one.
I'll go with you now. Okay.
The one that will be what? Can you do that?
Are you buying water?
Is this grey?
Yes.
How do you?
It's waiting on it.
But I would like to see it anyway.
Okay.
When did they write that?
I want to know if it's fridge. Make sure it's fridge and
Freezer. It's fridge. If it's not fridge, I would arrange it like this. I would arrange it like this.
continue raising organ now.
We want to see the top. How about it? We want to see this part. We are buying it. We just want to see.
What happened? Static. Is that what it will be happening to me when I touch it? Static. And static can make up more.
Hi, all these things, plastic.
So we can disconnect. Both of them are off now. That's for cold.
That's why I said, when you get to,
I know.
when you put water, you allow the gas to settle down, the water also. But if you bubble like...
So here it is after setting it up. I like it.
It has warm water, cold water, and then the fridge compartment. Some of them have a sterilizer down here, but I prefer the fridge one. So when you're buying, make sure you buy the one for you. I like it. It's nifty and it's much better than that dispenser on the fridge. That fridge, for those of you who saw my other video, that fridge I would have bought. Yeah, this one is a much better dispenser than that one. My only beef with this is that sometimes there's water around it. I don't know if the water comes from the fridge when it melts, the freezer compartment here melts or not, or something like that. I don't know, but yes, that's the only beef I have with it. When it melts, all the water comes down here, comes on the floor. At the end of the day, the water dispenser and some rugged mats were the only household equipment and appliance that we bought. I couldn't find a blender that I liked. I couldn't find a microwave oven that I liked. And what else? I went there to look for plates as well. I like white plates, absolutely white plates with not a single dot of color. And they have to be matte, like not shiny, but I couldn't find. Yeah, I also wanted to buy some cleaning utensils like mops, mopping buckets, laundry baskets, but they were also expensive. A laundry basket, plastic laundry basket, no fuss, no design, and no something else going on, just a basket with a cover, was going for 9,000 and something naira. I later bought one at a roadside shop that sells plastic utensils for 1,100 naira or something like that. So then we bought some groceries and that's it. In my next update, I'll talk about my pots. Everything about Flo's cooking pots. Yes, all the questions I've been getting about my pots, I'll hopefully answer them all in my next kitchen equipment update. Yes, you guys like to know what I do to my pots to get them to last. Most of my pots are more than 10 years old. Yes, and they still look like new. So you're always curious. Don't you burn your pots? Don't you do this? I'll share everything I do to maintain my pots. All right? Bye-bye. See you.
I'm saying you can't go, bro, you go.
If you do well now, and this one where you do apple bed for me. But we don't even people know they accept that kind of work.
No, you know, say, anything we do for you, you really have to learn.
The one why they teach you, this kitchen cabinet why I teach you here, no, but don't you both style I teach you.